I was really struggling mentally. I had given up like complete hope of my life. I was on a lot of drugs, and so like I wasn't very like clear-headed either. I was using it to escape my reality because I was dealing with a lot of trauma and a lot of different events that just was bringing me down. And so I just wanted to escape that world. It was like ruining relationships, it was pushing people away, and my lying didn't help. But I was definitely scared. And then as soon as I got to the ranch and met the people, I was like, okay, like I am where I'm meant to be. Definitely our recovery specialist, Mr. Alex, he like definitely worked with me like as I was coming off of these drugs and like having cravings. He was like, that's totally normal, and not making me feel like the only person in the world that's dealing with this and like having a rough time, because he's like, as soon as people come to the ranch like and they're serious about getting sober, like I will be there 100%. And so even on the hardest days, I was like, Mr. Alex, like what's up? I'm struggling right now. And he's like, let's just talk it through. It really like allowed me to like discover who I am as a person, and like the communication has gotten a lot better with me because I used to just shut down and pretend like everything was okay. And so now I'm like really feeling my feelings, and I'm able to like communicate my needs more, and I feel like that's making me stronger and like more independent like mentally. The apartments has really taught me like to like cook by myself and like make like meals instead of just like freezer meals like chicken nuggets, because I used to do that all the time. I think the relationships I really enjoy, because it's like, yes, we're friends here, but it's like you create long lasting friendships, which I really love. Like I found my best friend here, so I'm clear-headed for the first time in a really long time. So I'm able to make those connections and really think about things. And so honestly, like this program changed my life, and I didn't even know how big of an impact it was going to be before I came here.